Where's he at? Dylan. He's learning how to climb onto the couch. I know he can do it. You can do it. Come on, keep going. You can do it. I saw you do it just a minute ago. Dylan, come right over here. Come right over here. I know you can do it. He's almost there. You can do it. I saw you do it. One more try. You can do it. Here, put this foot just a little bit closer. There you go. There you go. Come on, you can do it. I saw you do it just a minute ago. There you go. You got it. You got it. Hold on right here. Hold on right here. Hold on right here. Hold on right there. Hold on right there. Hold on right there. Put your hand right there. Are you happy? And now we get right back down.